Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and a new staking button has appeared in our wallet. If you have tokens or stablecoins just sitting on an exchange or in a wallet, you are missing out on potential income. And today I will tell you more about staking and other opportunities for passive income in crypto. Let's figure out what staking is. Most blockchains operate on proof of stake technology. There are network nodes called validators that process transactions by verifying their authenticity and receive rewards in the form of blockchain coins for doing so. Regular users can also participate in this process and earn rewards by delegating their tokens to validators. The staking percentages can be viewed directly in the wallet. Passive income from staking is considered a very safe investment method. Let's discuss what liquid staking is. You can withdraw your tokens from staking at any time, but for most blockchains, the unstaking process takes from 3 to more than 20 days. For those who don't want to wait, there is liquid staking. It offers slightly less favorable percentages, but you can withdraw tokens instantly and apply various strategies for additional earnings. But this topic is actually for a separate video, and if you're interested, we will cover it as well. There is also lending. If you want to earn on stable coins and not worry about market fluctuations, lending protocols are what you need. They operate on a different principle than staking. Lending protocols are more similar to banks. You deposit stable coins into a smart contract, and someone takes a loan at a higher interest rate. Your yield is generated from this difference. Additionally, many blockchains offer rewards in their tokens as part of marketing campaigns to attract users. This makes the interest rates even higher and encourage active investors to move assets from one protocol to another. There is also such thing as lending aggregation. At Hot Wallet, we aggregate all major blockchains so you can actively invest and find the best rates. You can withdraw your tokens from lending at any time. Although lending carries risks of smart contract hacks, we choose the most reliable and tested protocols, minimizing such risks. So, if you are considering passive income in crypto, staking, liquid staking, and lending will fully cover your basic needs. These tools will help you make the most efficient use of your crypto assets, take advantage of new opportunities in Hot Wallet, and start using your crypto to generate passive income. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to write them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. See you!